Shemai! Lesson 16 on how to read music on our bass ukuleles. So we're up to lesson 16. I'm using the Team Strings double bass book. We're looking at page 46, dynamics today. I did say in the last lesson these are going to be coming a bit faster now, and they're all nice and short. So dynamics are a really important element of music. They can make the music dramatic, they can make it calming, they can make it exciting, but basically dynamics are the volume that you're playing the music at. So if we're looking at page 46 to start with, right at the top you can see some different dynamics there. F, which stands for forte, means loud. P stands for piano, means soft. In the middle we've got MF or mezzo forte, moderately or medium loud, and then MP, mezzo piano, moderately or medium soft. You can get extremes. 2 Fs means very loud or fortissimo. 2 Ps or pianissimo means very, very soft. And as I teach in school, pianoforte, okay, it's actually the proper name of the piano, the keyboard instrument, which basically means loud, soft instrument, because at the time it was invented, the previous keyboard instrument, the harpsichord, couldn't do dynamics. So that's where pianoforte, piano meaning soft, forte meaning loud, comes from. How do we know the dynamic? Well, the letter, the P or the F or the MF or the double P or the triple F or whatever, is always written below the actual music. Okay, so if you see an F written, it means play loud. If you see a P written, it means play quietly. So the first piece of music, Echoes, has got fortes or Fs and pianos, Ps in it. So a nice big contrast there, okay? It starts with F for 2 bars and then goes to P or piano for 2 bars, just to sort of replicate an echo. Echo. We're in the key of D, playing on the D and the G strings. Okay, so we're starting nice and loud. You can see that F written underneath for 2 bars, and then it goes to piano. 1, 2, 3, 4. So nice and loud to start with. Next line, back to F. So you can see there the dynamics are giving that echo effect. Okay, now when you've got lots of people doing it, whether it's in a big group playing or even an orchestra or a choir, it really is very effective at making the music more interesting. How do we play dynamics, loud and soft? Basically, it's all about how hard you pluck in the strings. And remember, we pluck across, not away. And then you can get quite nice and loud. Then I'm going to pluck a little bit less. Okay. And then piano and pianissimo. And we use the word soft rather than quiet, because obviously if we use in quiet, that means it's barely audible. And no, you can't cheat by changing the dynamics using your amps. Okay, so the next piece, Frère Jacques. Okay, again we've got fortes and pianos. You can see the Fs and the Ps written underneath. If you don't know the piece of music, it's called a round. In other words, one person will start, then the next person comes in, and so on. But in this case, it's just me playing it, and I'll try and demonstrate the dynamics, the Fs or fortes and Ps and pianos. Okay, Frère Jacques, we're in the key of D again, and we're on the G, the D, and the A strings, all 4th fingers, 4th frets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Loud, soft, loud, soft, loud next. I will do it one more time, and I'll try not to speak, but I'll try and highlight the dynamics as I'm playing along. Frère Jacques again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how did we get on with that one? And the last one I'm going to look at today, the Willow Tree. You can see there is a backing track to go with that because of the little keyboard sign. Now, this one is marked mezzo piano or MP, mezzo forte, MF, which means a sort of medium or moderate dynamic, okay? So these aren't so dramatic with the dynamics, all right? But it is still important to try and follow the dynamics whenever they're given. We're in the key of E minor this time, and we've got a time signature of 3/4. So I'm going to be counting to 3, and we're on the G and the D strings, but it's still going to be 4th fret, 4th fingers. 4 fingers, not 4th fingers. So the Willow Tree, starting off mezzo piano. 1, 2, 3. Still mezzo piano. Now the next line is mezzo forte. Back to mezzo piano. So that's just giving us a very quick idea of what dynamics are. There are some other signs that we do need to know about. Crescendo, or the V sign getting bigger, that means to gradually get louder. And then the opposite, diminuendo, or to get quieter, is the V sign going back down again, and that is gradually getting softer. So that's dynamics. If you've ever wondered what those strange letters were written on a piece of music, hopefully that helps a little bit. But dynamics really do help to make the music more interesting. You might see them written down. You might have somebody calling out softer or louder to you, okay? But it's basically plucking less hard to make it go softer, and plucking more strongly, shall we say, to make it go louder, but always plucking across, not away from our bass ukuleles. I did say these are going to be nice and short, and they are going to be coming quite quick. So that is dynamics. I do hope you're enjoying these lessons and that they are helping. But as always, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.